wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to ignore what's going on in the background. That's for New Year's. But I'm excited for today's video. I'm sure you guys have seen this foundation being talked about on every platform. If you guys want to know more about what will probably be one of the hottest foundations in 2023, let's go. Okay, so if you guys saw my Let's Talk About New Makeup for the Last Time This Year video, then I mentioned in there that Makeup by Mario was coming out with his brand's first foundation. And just because it's him launching a foundation, I told y'all in that video I was going to go ahead and get it. Because do you see his work on clients? If he gave us that type of work in a foundation, absolutely. And here it is. It is the SurrealSkin Liquid Foundation. This retails for $42 for 1 ounce. This comes in 30 shades. I picked it up in 26N. Let's see. It says it is a breathable, luminous foundation that effortlessly builds and blends to illuminate the complexion with customizable long-wearing coverage. This foundation reveals skin's natural luminosity. It features moisture grip technology and hydrates skin and glides on easily for customizable coverage. Layer it on or sheer it out. The buildable formula works harmoniously with powders or creams while staying true to its original color. All right, that's a lot of talk, Mario. That's a lot of talk, but you know what? I feel like he can back it up. So, of course, I already prepped my skin. Okay, got a pump. Ooh, 1 pump. Let's see what 1 pump gets us. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, straight out of the bottle, I feel like she's giving pretty sheer. That is 1 layer of product, and I kind of want to add another one, which I usually don't. Y'all know I'm usually good with just 1 pump, but I kind of want to add another one, but I also don't want to do too much. But we're here, so let's find out. Okay, now why that second pump look a lot bigger than, maybe I didn't pump enough the first time, because I feel like that's a lot more than the first time around and more foundation than I usually wear. But again, we're here, so YOLO. Oh, it's not that bad. So this is gonna be my face for the day. Excuse me, Mario, who gave you the rights? Who gave you the right? Do you see my face? Do you see my face? Now, I usually don't like to say anything before I leave for the day, but baby, when I tell you it's been a minute since the foundation, it's had me like, wait a minute. And I just got my hair done this morning, so a beat face, my hair done. When I really feel myself, I mean, I'm really feeling myself right now. But okay, it had me a little, in the first half, luminous. I don't know if you guys noticed it, but it looked wet when you put it on for the first, but baby, yeah. Now, because I did have a hair appointment this morning, we are a little late in the day. It is 12:28, but I'm going to go and then I will check back in later in different lighting so we can see how this foundation held up on my face. But he really might have just given the foundation everyone's gonna be talking about in 2023, because okay. Okay. No, I really am just sitting here feeling myself. Okay. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with that. That's the vibe to go into in 2023. Feel yourself. Also, it is 3:30. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like in daytime, like regular window lighting. You know when makeup starts to cook on your face, like it's been sitting there and it just really starts to blend in and melt into your face? That's where we are. Hello, just look at the skin. Like, you still see any blemishes that I might have, I'm breaking out right there, but it's still giving absolutely, yeah. This has literally been me the entire day. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and y'all know I like to give you a look in this type of lighting. So it is up, wow, can't read, 5:37, and this is what my face looks like. And you know, real up close, all in my business. That is what my face is looking like. Baby, here I am hours later, and I am still feeling myself, because this, if you notice anything down here, again, it's just the whole, you know, when I eat, my lip touches down and it touches my chin. This is one of those foundations where I am someone, if you guys, like, this is your first video, I have a sensitive, oily, you know, combo skin. So when I hear a foundation has, you know, luminous stuff like that, it's like, okay, but y'all know Born to Glow is one of my favorite foundations. NARS Sheer Glow is one of my favorites. That Chanel foundation I've been wearing lately it's a natural finish foundation. So I've told you guys, it really just comes down to what you put on your face in combination with that Luminous product, where if you have oily skin, you can make it work more. So I feel like, again, you see how it's looking more like settled in to my face now, you know, when your makeup literally starts to look like it's getting into them pores. I feel like that's what it looks like hours later, but it looks like skin. Also, if you notice, my tongue is green. It was what I was drinking, okay? It looks like skin, but it's just makeup that's been sitting on the skin for a while. Like, I might be getting a little oily here around my nose. If anything, I would say my smile line looks like it might start creasing soon, but I also feel like I have to, like, I'm dragging it there by doing it to show it. But if that's the only thing I have to worry about, baby, when I tell you I don't care about that, I mean, I don't care about that, because look at my face, okay? Now, he did that with this one. This is it's a natural finish foundation. Actually, no, I would say it's a pretty natural finish foundation. I feel like when you first put it on, you do see more of that, you know, luminosity, but I obviously powder it down. I use setting spray, all that stuff. After that, I feel like it's giving pretty natural, but still kind of, you know, glowing from within. You guys saw I did 2 layers, which were just 2 pumps of this foundation, which seemed like a lot to me when I first pumped it out, but as you guys saw, like, it blended out nicely. I feel like when I was done, I had a pretty, you know, nice, natural, medium to full coverage face. It did say it was a buildable foundation, and it certainly is, because the first pump, you know, and again, for me, where 1 pump is usually good enough for me, it was a little on the, you know, sheer to medium with just 1 pump, but that is nice that you can get it either way that you want to with this foundation. So they were right on saying it's buildable. I know it had luminous in the description, but I don't remember reading if it actually said, like, it's a luminous finish or a natural finish, but it's a pretty natural finish foundation for me. I will test to see if it transfers. Hold on 1 second. All right, I pushed real hard there. If you can see that, I feel like that is right here, like in my nose area where I said I was getting oily. Like, if I tried blotting that one, yeah, that's where the most transfer is. But other than that, listen, gonna do what she needs to do, okay? Now keep in mind, I do have the Danessa on as a primer, and y'all just know anything that you put on top of that, your face is going to be beat hours later. But you also did just see me blot, like, this outer area as well, where there's not as much primer there, and it still looks good. But I mean, like, hello, I've been telling y'all this about this primer this entire year. Go ahead and get it before 2023, because that primer, this foundation, baby, go ahead and treat yourself, okay? Mario did that with this one. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. I'm ending the year very impressed, and y'all know I didn't try that many products this year that left me impressed, but baby, when I tell you, I think I'm still talking at this point because I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder, and I just like looking at myself. Like, that is the vibe this foundation is giving as far as how you look at yourself when you're wearing it. Like, okay, all right, I like it. I like this foundation. I'm definitely going to wear it tomorrow. because I was trying to figure out what my face is going to be like. Definitely going to wear it tomorrow. Absolutely. So if you guys needed a review, you guys wanted to hear my experience trying this product, it is a 2 thumbs up for me. I hope seeing me test it out has helped if any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself. I did say what shade I was wearing, right? 26N? I believe I said that, but if not, I'm saying it again. All of that will be in the description down below. Make sure 2 thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the new year. Bye.